Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the JBR Trend Indicator for MT4. Now to download this indicator, just check the description below. You're going to see the link right after downloading the indicator. You should see something like this. So you can decide to decompress the file, or well, if you're able to just access it, just access the file and copy the JBR Trend Indicator.ex4. You head over to your indicators file for MT4. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to get there. Click on file, click on open data folder. All right, and then you click on your MQL4 and then indicators, and this is where you're going to paste the JBR Trend Indicator. Okay, after doing that, you head back to your MT4 platform and just right click on your navigator and refresh. All right, having done that, you should find the JBR Trend Indicator in your navigator. Okay, now drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and then as for the input settings, you can see the different customizable settings here. Okay, so without wasting so much time, let's just look at how this JBL indicator functions. You should be looking out for crossover signals between the red line and the green line. So in this chart here, you can see that when you have a crossover between the red line and the green line, when the red crosses the green to the upside, you tend to have a buy signal, and when the red crosses the green to the downside, you tend to have a sell signal, right? Okay, so that was the um, indication for this sell here. You can see the red crossed below the green and we had a sell move. In this case, the red crossed above the green and we had a buy move. But I'm going to recommend trading in the direction of the trend. You want to look for only buy opportunities in a bullish trend and sell opportunities in a bearish trend. All right. Ensure that you apply proper risk management. Do not trade with an amount that you can do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose, and do not over leverage. All right. It's very important. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.